Have you ever wondered how your money can work for you? Well, there's a powerful financial concept that can help you do just that. It's called compounding. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more snow as it goes. That's pretty much how compounding works, but with your money. You see, compounding is all about earning interest not only on your initial investment but also on the interest you've already earned. It's like getting a double reward. This process continues over time, causing your money to grow at an increasingly rapid rate. Think about it this way. If you were to plant a single seed today and nurture it, over time it would grow into a tree, right? Now, imagine if that tree could plant its own seeds, which would grow into more trees. That's the magic of compounding. This is compounding, the magic formula that can potentially turn your small savings into a large sum. Now you might be asking, how powerful is compounding really? Well, let's dive into that. Imagine you're on a beach and you scoop up a handful of sand. It's not a lot, is it? But what if with each passing second that sand doubled in your hand? In a minute, you'd be buried under a mountain of sand. This is the essence of compounding, small, consistent additions that multiply over time. Let's bring it home with an example. Picture this. You're 25 years old and you decide to start investing. You don't have much, but you manage to put aside $100 every month. Now let's say that this money grows at an average rate of 7% per year, thanks to compounding. By the time you hit 65, that modest $100 a month would have ballooned to around $400,000. And that's without any additional contributions. But let's say you wait till you're 35 to start. You'd have to invest almost 3 times as much each month to end up with the same amount at 65. That's the power of starting early. Now, it's important to note that compounding isn't an overnight get-rich-quick scheme. It's more like watching a tree grow. It starts slow, but give it time and the growth becomes exponential. You won't see much change in the first few years. But after a decade or two, you'll start to see the magic happen. Patience is key. Just like you can't rush a tree to grow, you can't rush compounding. But with time and consistency, the results can be astounding. So whether you're saving for a house, a car, retirement, or just a rainy day, remember, every little bit counts. Even the smallest investments can grow into significant sums with the power of compounding. As you can see, compounding can make a significant difference over time, especially if you start early and stay consistent. So you're probably wondering, how can I start benefiting from compounding? Well, the good news is that it's not as complex as you might think. Let's dive right into it. The first step is to find an account that offers compound interest. This could be a savings account, a retirement account, or an investment fund. Many banks offer savings accounts with compound interest, which is a great option for beginners. These accounts allow your money to grow over time without you having to do much more than depositing your funds. If you're looking for something a bit more advanced, consider a retirement account, like a 401(k) or an individual retirement account, also known as an IRA. These accounts not only offer compound interest, but they also provide tax advantages which can significantly boost your returns over the long term. There are also investment funds such as mutual funds or exchange-traded funds that offer compound interest. These funds pool money from many investors to purchase a diverse range of assets, spreading the risk and potential for returns. The second step is regular contributions. The magic of compounding comes from earning interest on your interest, so the more you contribute and the more regularly you do it, the faster your money will grow. Even a small amount contributed regularly can add up to a significant sum over time. The third and final step is to think long-term. Compounding is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time for the compounding effect to really kick in, so resist the temptation to withdraw your money early. Let it sit and grow. To sum up, start with finding an account that offers compound interest, make regular contributions, and think long-term. And remember, the more time your money has to grow, the more you can potentially earn. Remember, the key to compounding is time and consistency. The sooner you start, the more you can potentially earn. So why not start today? Your future self will thank you. In this video, we've learned the power of compounding and how to get started. It's been quite a journey, hasn't it? We've started from the bare bones of the concept, understanding that compounding is, in essence, earning interest on interest. It's about making your money work for you and not the other way around. In the world of finance, it's like a snowball rolling down a hill, gaining size and momentum with each passing second. We've also explored the staggering potential of compounding. It's not just a minor bump in your wealth, but a potential game changer. With time on your side, even small, regular investments can grow into substantial sums. Remember the story of the humble penny doubling every day? By the end of 1 month, it had grown to over $5 million. That's the magic of compounding, turning small seeds into towering trees. But understanding compounding isn't enough, is it? We've also discussed how to get started with it. From opening a high-yield savings account or investing in a retirement fund to buying stocks or bonds, there are numerous paths to begin your compounding journey. The key, however, is to start as early as possible. The longer your money has to grow, the more powerful compounding becomes. So, there you have it. The magic of compounding distilled into a few minutes. But remember, this video is just your starting point. The real journey begins when you take action. It's time to let your money roll up its sleeves and get to work. Thank you for tuning in to Coinfluence. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Remember, your money can work for you. Start your compounding journey today.